Welcome to our quick comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the Sweetcrispy and the Igloo. Both of these machines promise to deliver fresh ice quickly and efficiently, but they come with different features and price points. In this video, we'll break down their specifications, design, and overall value to help you make an informed decision for your home kitchen or bar. The Sweetcrispy countertop ice maker is priced at $69.99, making it a budget-friendly choice for those looking for an efficient ice maker. In contrast, the Igloo automatic ice maker comes in at $99.99, which is $30 more expensive. This price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for value. When it comes to ice production speed, the Sweetcrispy model excels by producing its first batch of ice in just 6 minutes. The Igloo, while still efficient, takes a bit longer at 7 minutes per batch. If speed is a priority for you, the Sweetcrispy may be the better option. In terms of design, the Sweetcrispy features a compact and portable design with a built-in carry handle, making it easy to transport. On the other hand, the Igloo boasts a sleek stainless steel finish that adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. Your choice may depend on whether you prioritize portability or aesthetic appeal. In conclusion, both the Sweetcrispy and Igloo countertop ice makers offer great features for home use. The Sweetcrispy stands out for its affordability and speed, while the Igloo impresses with its stylish design and brand reputation. Depending on your needs and preferences, either could be a fantastic addition to your kitchen or bar. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.